Hi all of you, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you the part second of user management and some locations of where your password is stored and where your group ID exists. All of those stuff I will show you in this video. Alright, so let me open my this Reddit server. Alright, as you all can see, it is started, and in this video I'm going to show you the path where your username and with your username and your encrypted password is stored. Alright, and also show you the where your group password is stored, and also how many members are there in your group. You can see each and everything. So let me just paste my ID, not paste, first copy then paste. Alright, then paste. Now it's time to open. All of the stuff I have already configured, as you all know. Now it's time to login as EC2 hyphen user. Alright, now as you can see that I am successfully logged in. Let me first clear screen and login as sudo root user. Alright, which is sudo -i. Now it's time to create. Let me see the users. ls/home. Let me see what all users I have. I have user. Let me create a user by, as you all know what is command, by using this command user add. Username is Vasu66. I have created a user. Let me give password to this as well. Password Vasu66. So I am writing password. You can't see, but I can see. Now it's time to retype password. The password is shorter than 8 character. All authentication tokens are updated. Alright, let me see it is working or not. Switch as Vasu66. It asks password or not. It is not asking because this is my root user. Alright, if I, so let me exit from this. Now as you can see that I'm root user again. Let me exit from this. Now if I switch as Vasu user Vasu66, it will ask your password. Alright, let me show you. Now as you all can see, let me log in as Vasu66. It works or not, let me see. Last login. Alright, everything is good. So I'm, as you all can see, Vasu66. I am now your this user Vasu66, as you all can see. So let me exit from here. Let me log in as root user. Now as you all can see, let me show you first one. Where is my Microsoft whiteboard? Alright, this is an amazing thing. Let me open your, where is my this one? Alright, first path is your etc. Let me zoom in. Yeah, this is good. I think everyone can see this. Alright, so first path is etc password. This is your username. Let me mark line. Username. Now X is your password. You can't see because it is your encrypted. This is your UID, which means user ID. This is your GID, group ID. This is your comment if you want to mention any, and this is your directory of your user where your user is created, and this is your shell, which shell is your using your user. Alright, so there are two types of shell. One is your user and one is your, I will show you. Let me give, just I'm taking 2 minutes. Your path is cd. Now you can access it by using vi. Alright, let me do cat etc password. I think this is your path. Now as you all can see, this is your stuff here. As you all can see, I have created just now user. Alright, Vasu66. This is your password, you can't see. This is your UID, user ID. This is your GID, group ID. This is your the path where your user is created, and this is your shell. There are two types of shell. This one is bin bash and this one is sbin no login. So right now your user is using this one. Alright, and every time user uses this. So now it's time to move on. I've showed you what is this stands for. Alright, you can stop video and you can read it out. Path-2 etc shadow, where your password is stored. First one is your username, then your password. These are your days. I will show you after showing you this all format. This one is your what 0 stands for, time to change password, 0. Alright, and 999 and 99, which means 5 times 9. Expiry date of password, which I already told you in my first video. And 7 stands for your warning days, which means when your password going to expire, it will start give you warning before 7 days. Alright, so let me show you the path. This path etc shadow. Alright, cat etc shadow. Alright, permission denied. Alright, first I need to be a root user to access this directory, because this is your really important directory. It contains all your password. Alright, so now it's time to run that command again. Cat your what was that, etc and that your shadow. Now you can see that where is your, as you all can see, let me clear the screen first. Alright, let me show you again. So this is your Vasu66, which is your username, and from this $sign to this $sign, where is second one here, this one is your, let me show you, let me first read out. This one is your SHA-512, which is your encryption method, encryption algorithm. Let me show you SHA-12. Alright, this is your latest one, encryption method, which is using your WhatsApp as well, I think. Alright, so yeah, that is your, and after second to this one is your random salt value. Alright, random salt value, and after third to there is no $sign here. This is your encrypted password. Alright, let me show you here as well. Here you can see first $sign is here, and the second one is your here, and the third one is your where it, third this is your random salt value, and it is going till where is your third $sign. I can't see dollar. I can't see the third $sign. Let me see. First is starting from here. Alright, first is here. You can see it is ending here only, and second is starting from here, and it is ending till here. This is your random salt value, and from here to your here is your encrypted password. Alright, and this is your 1984, which means this is your days. Let me show you, let me write here since, let me show you since, let me write here days since 1st Jan 1970. You can see 198184. As you all can see, 19, where is your that 19184. Alright, so this is showing you the, let me show it, showing the last time change. Alright, it is showing the last time your password was changed. So your password is created now. Alright, it is created today. It means that when your Linux is created, and it is showing that time. Alright, and now it's time to show you this. This is your expiry date of password. It is showing your 999. Oh, sorry, 999. It is showing your 5 times 9. Alright, and this is your warning time. Warning time in days. This is your time to change the password, which is telling you 0. So now let me clear the screen. Let me share you what was the password. etc group. This is short cat etc. It is etc group. Now you can see Vasu66 is your group name. As I already told you in my first video that whenever you create a user, so it's automatically group will also create it, but whenever you create a group, its user will not create. Alright, so I have created a user in front of you. Alright, so you can see Vasu66 X is your password, as I already showed you. 1006 is your GID, which means your this is your group ID. Alright, let me show you your next thing, which is your etc G shadow. This contains your password, I think. Where is the command? etc G shadow. Alright, you can see Vasu66, and your first exclamation marks tells you the password, which is not there. Alright, and second one shows your admin, which is also not there, and third one shows you members, how many members are there in here. Alright, your colon says first after exclamation mark, your first colon says your admin users, and second one says your members of this group. I hope this video finds you beneficial, and this is all about your where your password stores, where your how can you see your group ID, how can you see your group user ID, how can you see your encrypted password. You should know these minor details, and I think but this will not come in your exam. Your main task will, you have to do the main task related to your storage management, related to your network management, I think, and related to your networking, related to your storage, and related to your user management as well. Alright, so I think this video is all about for today. Don't forget to, you can forget to like, you can forget to subscribe, you can forget to like, you can forget to share as well, but don't forget to stop this machine. Alright, this will cost you a lot of penny. You can't even imagine. Alright, you can see that remote side unexpectedly closed networking connection. Who folks are watching this video first time, I prefer you all to watch from my first video. Go in my playlist section, and there is your playlist RHCSA. Just starts from beginning. Alright, you can see my server is stopped. So I think that this is about for today, and I will be meet you in my next video.